Yeah. Oh, today's Game Awards.
It's very late though.
Or is
Yeah.
it?
All right,
has
I'm
it-
out of
Right,
here.
though.
Let's go watch the Game Awards instead.
Has it already ended? No, right?
Nah.
Or
I have
No,
no
it's
idea.
like
I don't keep track of these things.
Good luck watching it. It's at 1 a.m.
It's
oh
like-
god,
it's like
where
in
is it?
5
Oh.
hours.
Oh god, damn it!
That's what
No,
you get.
there's no way I'll be alive by
I'll be
then.
alive. It's at 1 a.m. Half-Life 3 is going to get announced, Slate says. Can you imagine?
That'd be crazy.
Hello, hello, Everinian.
So good when I get my key lights for Christmas. Let's see the background.
Hey.
Yeah. Let me just double check the reactions.
Reaction.
Leif v Fabio v Goose John Joshua. Cool, I can wipe the reactions on that. What up, chat? Same chat that's in here.
Leave.
Are we all just saying hello to Lath, are we? Hi.
Yeah, we are.
Fine.
I don't think my microphone picked it up. Even my cat's saying hello to you.
Meow, meow. Yeah, I might be able to catch the start of the Game Awards tonight since it's at 12:30, but
Oh, jeez.
I don't know. We'll see. Because we're obviously watching that thing after stream and playing Sky, so I'll probably be too tired.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Shadow Slate says.
Her response seems to just be to stare at me, I'm afraid.
It's like, what?
We've been dreaming of Half-Life 3 for like 20 years. It's not going to happen.
Wasn't Half-Life Alex technically 2.5, maybe 3?
Sort of. That's how a lot of people seem to look at it.
Right, so let's figure out this.
I don't know about Half-Life, but I'm damn sure Hideo Kojima will be there.
Of course he will. Yeah.
He's everywhere.
Here's my good friend. Talk about the layoffs, Stuart. What's his name? Talk about the layoffs. Talk about the layoffs. No, I don't think I will. Right, so let's have a look. This doesn't currently work, and let's see why. Utilize T's brain. On click and grab actors of all class, grab all spotlights, loop through them, get spotlight component attenuation radius. If it's equal to or greater than 20,000, print. Although we don't get printed sheet, which is so around about here is where the new problem of today is.
Cool. Sorry, it took me a moment there to realise why what I was seeing on the screen and what you were saying didn't seem to match up. In my
Oh,
brain.
sorry. Let me. Hold on. I forgot. Yeah. Let me do this. I always forget to do this. There we go.
Do the thing, do the thing.
Yeah.
Oh, danke.
Thank
Yeah, I forgot about that. There we go.
Just say what you're gonna do to us like 30 seconds beforehand.
Spoilers. He's gone crazy. Run. Like some Tenet shit.
Flash.
Yeah, all my
So-
blueprint
That's just
learning
good.
recently has been, I've been stuck on this. Oh, this is how you do it. Way easier. Because there's like no tutorials for specifically doing. So yeah. So we grab all spotlights. We loop through them. We grab the attenuation radius. If it's equal or greater than 20,000 on this. If it's greater, true, print.
Oh, well, I can see why branch isn't. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I've tried this as well. It's just printing hello, so it needs almost like I need to put this somewhere. So grab the loop. If greater, print string, in string, print the names. So I need like a get array names or something to do with array names.
Well, I mean, you're already collecting all the
That's what I thought.
things in there, aren't you? So you should be able to just grab it from the same array.
Because I can grab this. There's nothing purple, but I can grab it from this, which will make a halfway connection. Array element. Get display name. So that does give me that light, but let's just try something. Let's see if it will give me. If it will give me. Right, let's give this a try again. I think it works. That's weird. I tried this. I swear I tried this just now and it didn't work. What have I?
Magic.
This is my blueprint journey. Like, oh, you're missing one connection somewhere.
Yeah,
Maybe-
you always need those white lines. Maybe just one of your white lines was missing.
Maybe, yeah. I thought I had that in before. Oh, I might have been doing that completed. I'm like, what's this for then? Completed. That's me like questioning like what half the things mean and then something working. I think that works. Which I'll be very happy with because up until this very last part, I was just vibing with this. Let me try again. Should appear 1, 2, 3. So if I take this to 18, So getting it here, that's one. Now I just need to figure out in the future, how do I pop that up into a nice little red window for the user? But I do want to turn this into a thing that you guys can put in. So I think I need a progress bar slider. How's all your guys' Thursday going?
Not too bad.
Good. Pretty good.
Just tired.
That's a mood.
Never mind though. It's my Friday.
Me too. Oh.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Yeah, I'm in work Monday to Wednesday next
too.
week, and then off again. Then back in just for the Monday, and then off again till like Jan 2nd.
Oh, fair enough.
Just literally going to be working on this whole toolkit and stuff for Christmas
Fair play.
and playing games whenever. Took a nice 12 hours sleep, Slate says. Oh my god. Could you share some with me, T, and Leah?
Sleep, what's that? Never heard of her.
What's this about G-Man's New Year's speech?
I have no idea.
Who's G-Man?
Who's G-Man?
G-Man's the kind of spectral, unknown, and not really understood entity in the Half-Life series that seems to claim Gordon Freeman as an agent throughout.
Oh,
And then we got some interesting new developments in regards to him in Half-Life Alyx as well, which I won't spoil for anyone just in case they haven't played it.
gotcha.
Oh, no, definitely not. You, T, and Leah are... Yes, that's very true. Yep, absolutely. We have any new type of New Year resolution, it's to be better on sleep.
I don't want to make a resolution I know I won't succeed in.
Oh, man, you've got to double down.
That's why you start with them in November so you can break them before the new year.
True.
Mm.
You're in here somewhere, friend. You have to be.
Oh, are you looking for like a slider?
More like a kind of a entry input, so you can type in a value.
I mean,
Like
I'd guess it'd be under the input heading.
Yeah,
wouldn't
like
it?
a int, ideally. Editor utility key. No. He is always awake, so he probably doesn't sleep. Don't know about that one, Chief.
Oh, I'm looking at very much the wrong screen. That's not helping me. There we go.
Wait, who's also streaming? Who's
Who's
also
streaming?
streaming?
Elliot.
But
It's me.
you were looking at the wrong screen. So stream. So
Oh, because the YouTube one's on the left, and that's like 30 seconds behind.
Yeah, you can just mute that
oh,
one.
I know, but it's where Slate's writing. So maybe.
You can read it, but you can hide me. Pop out stream or whatever.
Of course.
Hi, bro. Long time no see. Hey, chap. How are you? How
Oh
do?
yeah, that's better.
Happy December.
welcome to the stream, unknown. Welcome,
Maybe it's
welcome.
that. I don't think so. I need to get one up for reference. Who can we look for? Let's look for Javert. Go old school.
Quentin?
No, it
Barrett?
doesn't have any input boxes from what I can see. It's all buttons.
Yeah, I remember it
Drop
all
down,
being rather
drop
buttony.
down. Yeah, there's no custom stuff in terms of typing in.
Oh,
Hey,
first
Quentin.
iteration. I was going to say, I don't remember it looking like that.
How do? Yeah.
I'd
How
forgotten
do,
just how
how
many
do?
options he made.
Yeah, it was quite handy. I think this one, hide most obtrusive, was really good.
Oh yeah, no, that was heavy. No, he did a really good job with that, no doubt.
No custom inputs. Could always do it as a drop down, higher than, and just give like 10, 20, or 30. I was thinking, do I want to hard lock it? Not really, because then you could have like spotlights that have like 50,000 attenuation, right? But they have shadows off. Or maybe I will hard lock it. Got lots of room to fill though on here.
I mean, what is it? You can always have it as like a hard lock feature first, and then based on user feedback, you can optimize the tool.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Right.
true. Like V1 it right first, and then
Yeah, it's like yeah, and then you adjust basically the sliders based on feedback.
I would say that an attenuation over 4,000 is suspect. What do you think? If you were to hard lock a value, because I'm like 1K, 2K most of the time, but what do you think?
Just remembering Unreal's in centimeters, isn't it? So that would be 40 meters. Yeah. Yeah. To be fair, actually, yeah, over 4,000 would be a bit sussy backer.
Over 4,000.
It's over 4,000. I want to figure out how to pop that up into a box. Printing to the output means it works. And now, it's like for V2 at least, I want to figure out how to pop that up into a box.
Yeah, something I've found on Reddit here refers to something in your palette, some default thingamabob called a spin box. And then you have to add. Then you have to add some logic in. So on text changed event filter non-numeric text to get rid of anything that's not numerical.
Ah, yes. I see. Maybe we could use that. I think that might be the one. Yeah, that might be the one.
Thanks, Reddit.
Is it a spin box though? Because technically it's a slider box.
I choose not to ask too many questions as to why Epic insists on giving all of their stuff names that aren't used anywhere else.
Hubris.
Yeah, basically. Should we call it an if statement like code has been doing for decades? Nah, let's call it branch. Cool.
Oh, they called it branch? That doesn't even make sense.
Yeah.
No, there's also ifs though, right? Because for the PBR checker I want to make, there are if nodes as well.
Oh, if they've added in if nodes now, then all for it. But when I was making the blueprints for Until Dawn, it took me a while before I realised if doesn't exist, and I was like, "You."
I think at least in the shader editor, from what I've seen. Right.
Oh, shader might be different because again they put completely different nodes into each of their different editors.
Let's hook up some logic to that button. $12.30. Yeah. Yep. That's right, Slick.
Oh, that's dude. If there would be any trailer for Rebel Wolves,
I'm not sure, Slake. We're gonna watch that DeepMind documentary after this, so we might be tired out. But I'll probably be up at 12:30, so I'll probably at least put it on my end.
yes, same here.
You
Maybe
won't be up, Leah. You'll be in bed.
No.
Yes,
maybe...
well after your curfew.
Yeah, that's way after. Not even half an hour after your time. That's like 2 hours after your time.
Dude, I'm 28.
You have a curfew.
I have a curfew.
Yeah,
Not for Game Awards.
No, but you can't just break the rule for one thing.
That's educational, okay?
This was a self-imposed curfew that you asked us to help you stick to. So
For educational fun, you know.
I mean, for educational purposes, maybe, but for Game Awards, nice try, but no.
What?
He's right, you know.
The
Game
Game Awards,
Awards.
with all due respect. Oh wait, do people here know where I'm from? I'll
Yeah.
put on a voice. The Game Awards are only good for the trailers. Who said that? God,
And
that's
for Hideo Kojima. Yeah. Don't
Eh.
forget him.
no one can forget him. No one's allowed to forget him.
Yeah, that's
Rules
right,
are meant to
Slate.
be broken, exactly.
No,
Quentin.
Quentin, don't encourage her. He has no what's the word? Impulse control.
What? I have more impulse control than you have.
What time did we go to bed last night, Leah?
Dude, that was because, you know, like talking to people.
Interesting. Okay, interesting. Yeah.
You also
got
stayed up.
chatty.
You
I
s-
did. I did. I did.
You stayed up.
I didn't,
See?
because I'm a good boy.
Uh-huh.
You were a good boy. Leah got me into a conversation with some strange people.
As usual. She got me in some weird conversations today with some people from the Philippines.
What? No, it was all on you.
The Philippine guy again.
No. Uh-uh.
Oh, different person.
Different people. Yeah. But it was all on Elliot.
I didn't tell you to
Did
log
do
on.
nothing. That's yeah. Oh my god, I remember. What kind of event was it again? Was it the Xbox Awards, the Microsoft Game Awards, or something like that?
Oh, those
Where
ones are
Rebel Wolf-
definitely worth it. They're very good.
Yeah, where like Rebel Wolf was like was present, right? And suddenly, yeah, I remembered suddenly, yeah. Damn, like I lost my mind that day. I was just like, oh, it's them, they exist. Oh
They
my
are
god.
them.
Yeah,
They are them.
it's just like, man, oh, looks so good. Oh,
That's true.
yeah. One day, I swear.
Rebel Wolves are an independent studio, aren't they?
What's the
No,
definition?
not really.
Because it's is it
As in
Namco?
self-owned. Oh, is it the
Bandai
Namco?
Bandai Namco, I think. Yeah.
On value changed. Oh, okay. This will be something to set.
It's like same as like studios like Embark, right? So Embark is backed up by a Chinese company as well. Funny enough, the ones who also made Maple Stories back in the day. It's quite interesting.
Oh, yeah, we have had this conversation before, haven't we? Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm just going to go give Shadow some treats because I think she needs to feel special.
All right.
I don't think that's going to work, but let's start somewhere. $6,000. Wait, is that working? No way. No, I don't think it. Wait, is it working? Oh my god, that worked. I'm very surprised. Things don't usually work first time.
Probably not.
On value change, set attenuation, which plugs into the branch equal to. Oh, nice. Wow, that was an easy win. Holy shit, nice.
It's like, what even is this? What are you talking about?
Mortal Kombat.
Yeah?
Mortal Kombat.
Da, 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 da. Oh shit! No, stop! Copyright. Da, 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 da. My one Freddo from the stream revenue.
Yeah. Noob Saibot is Sub-Zero when he dies. Comes back from hell.
Oh.
I love the original Mortal Kombat film, man. Your soul is mine. You guys remember the original Mortal Kombat movie?
No.
The original, you mean the before 98?
Yes.
Yes, I have.
Oh,
I have watched it.
a man of
Yes,
culture.
the
A man of
OG
culture.
one.
That's right.
Yeah. Top-notch VFX.
Heck yeah.
Reported already.
What are these words being spoken against my kitty cat?
Uh-oh, he's back. You better run.
Heavy slide, it's over now.
Wait, he did? 3 days ago?
I mean, he's been in
Damn.
everything, though, so he must have reached a good age.
Who?
The guy that played Shao
Shang
Tsung.
Tsung.
Hmm.
I can't believe that worked first time.
May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah, definitely.
What you really want to do if you want to be fancy is to make sure on the loading in of the widget is you set the text in that box to be whatever the default or whatever the current is.
Oh, yeah, that's good. I think that will let me do it in the... I'm sure that will let me do it in here. Value, respectable size of 4,000. Yeah, literally, I didn't think it would work because nothing has worked first time in all this stuff. But literally, just on value change, set variable plugged into the greater than or equal to, without needing to connect the white arrow as well. Now I just need to figure out from here. Okay, print that to a new pop-up. You know, that'll be the next goal. But printing it to output is something I'm that's gonna fuck up. It's something I'm happy with at least.
You're being very tidy with your wiring.
Well, I'm waiting for the add-on to update. I don't know if it's I have an add-on for 5.6. Now you've mentioned it, let me check actually. Yeah. Because this will be good for the presentation shots. Right, will I need to restart engine? I probably will, won't I?
What's all this you got going on in Visual Studio as well?
That was for So you see this line here?
Hmm.
This was when I learned, instead of making a blueprint that turns on and off the post-process volume to show the false color, you can just make the post-process material and put it in the engine.ini, and it will appear in the as a view mode. So you don't have to do any sort of activation controls on it or anything.
No way. Okay, that's awesome.
I was like, damn, that's pretty simple. Like I can access that and put it in easy. So this is where I'll put my PBR checker ones, because if you look in in the editor, it'll appear in the view mode.
See that, chat? Two sessions of Python learning gets you to there. Wow.
Yes, if you look here,
Amazing.
buffer visualization, when it loads up, false color IRE, so then you can just sample that as a normal view mode.
God damn.
Nice. Does that mean also it would appear in your preferences so you could set keyboard shortcuts for
Yeah, that's true.
it? Nice.
Very nice. How much?
Grab high attenuation lights over 4,000. Should appear 1, 2, 3, 4, and should not appear 4,000, 6,000, 6,000, 3,999. Nice. So yeah, I just need to pop that up into a window, and that'll be great at some point. What do I need next? Probably a lumen section for lumen and overlapping shadow view mode. Because this isn't for baked lighting. Otherwise, I'd add baked lighting in here as well.
Mhm.
Maybe try and fix these yellow errors that keep popping up. Unknown nanite visualization mode 0. Why did I flip-flop that again? I forgot. Something was breaking with it. And that's why. Because it does not turn off afterwards. So I need that in there.
I would plug it into the flip-flop and then put the A up to the top box.
Yeah, that's what I did before. I was wondering if I can avoid the yellow warning. But I don't think it's a huge deal. And get 2 OCD on yellow warnings.
It might just be that to turn it off, it's not usually setting it at 0. It's like got a named value like the other one that you're using.
That's nanite mask mode. I'll do it again on shading bins. However, I did discover a node today that wasn't anywhere I've seen before, called Set Editor Viewport Visualize Buffer.
Ooh.
So I wonder if there's a nanite version of that. Set Editor Viewport nanite. No, Visualize is under its own section, isn't it? Yeah. So some of these things you just learn a proper way to do them eventually. For now, flip-flopping between on and off seems to work.
The nanite options might still be under visualize in terms of code. They might have just split it up in the menu
True.
for clarification of use.
That's true.
In theory, it should be on the Unreal docs. If you look for it, it should have any CVARs associated with it listed there.
You'd hope
Because,
so.
you know, Unreal documentation is so good.
Oh yeah, it's always well updated with all the things they've done to it.
Hmm.
Scotto.
Godot.
No, not Godot.
See,
4.6 is in preview right now.
It is Godot. Or Godot.
Oh, there's so much red.
Go dot.
Oh, I'm melting.
Odd. God, odd.
no, that
Joe dot.
sadly doesn't work. It was worth a shot there. Yeah, okay.
I'm going to Unreal Docs. Unreal.
Hey, Bird. Obadiah, how are you? Welcome to Strum. Happy December.
Birthdays.
Oh, what did I do to my false color? I think we'll do the first giveaway in a minute. Find the name.
Just to quickly check, which was the
Redeem the name.
Redeem the name.
what was the CVAR you're using? Was it r.visualize?
Let me have a look. It was. You want to wait for the new command I found, the new button thingy.
Yeah.
So the button I was trying was set editor viewport visualize buffer, and the command I was trying was nanite visualize r.nanite visualize mask, which isn't part of the visualize buffer apparently, from what I've trialed.
Okay. So I've found a list on the Unreal site of just every CVAR. My God, there's a
Yeah.
lot.
When do you
Bird,
know when to sculpt for hard surface environment stuff, or when making props? When do you know when to sculpt for hard surface or when making props? Versus what, like sub-D modeling? You could technically sculpt a lot of sub-D modeling if you want to whack the edges and stuff like that, but I don't know. What do you think, V? You've done a lot of hard surface. When do you choose to sculpt your hard surface stuff and just leave it to sub-D modeling or booleans otherwise?
Oh, I mean, if you want to do some storytelling in your props, like which can only be achieved through sculpting, then yeah, go for it. But if you want to make something more modular, which will be used across a lot of assets, like a trim sheet, then I mean, you can still sculpt a trim sheet. People do all that, but it really depends on, do you want that fine detail in a close-up shot for storytelling or not? That's, yeah, I would say that would be one of the reasons to look. Yeah. to sculpt.
Nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Or you can sculpt metal for a realistic wear.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I don't think there's any right or wrong answers to it, right? Depends on your need. I mean, you can still get the same results without doing the sculpting and doing it through Designer, or yeah, sculpt it in ZBrush.
Need this to. It prints. Okay, so I need that to pop up a window down the line. But I've got the functionality set up, so there'll be some sort of node here that will pop up all. I'm going to select. So everything up to true is ready. Print in pop-up. I'm currently making a walkway for sci-fi scene in Blender. Part of me wants to sculpt it in 3D Coke, so I know I can get more details with that. Oh, you want to actually sculpt like hard surface detail? If you can get away with it, otherwise it's going to look blobby, right? So if you know exactly how to keep the shapes hard and stuff, but usually you would do a trim sheet anyway.
If you want to go for a sculpted route, I think you'll also do it the high to low poly then, or planning to put your sculpt directly in Unreal using Nanite.
Yeah.
No, that's not the case. If that hallway is the only thing that you're making for the project, and you know it for sure that those details that you'll be adding through sculpting won't be used anywhere else, then go for it. Yeah. I know Goose has been doing a lot of sculpting in ZBrush lately for hard surface stuff.
He has indeed.
I don't know if he's in the chat.
The magical goose.
The magical goose. The New Zealander. Not just the only thing I'm making, but it's just in the main. See, if you really want to sculpt something, and it's not the only thing that you'll be making in that scene, I would suggest to go for trim sheets. But you can sculpt your trim sheets in ZBrush. Oh, I mean 3D Code. That software that you'll be using.
might be out of my wheelhouse at the moment. Outputting to a pop-up instead of the output log. I'll leave that for now. It's a nice stretch goal for the future.
I've put a command in the side chats that, if I'm understanding the docs correctly, is the command that's used to turn off nanite visualizations. However, I don't know what they've done to Unreal docs since I last used them. I don't know what this is. It's worse somehow than what they had before.
I think advanced is the extra buttons that don't appear by default, which is good if you don't want them showing up.
That's what I thought as well, but this is...
Because I have visualize 0
really...
and it does it. Because when you do advanced 1, it gives you like 20 more nanite options.
Yeah.
Which is also weird, right? It's like you hide all the advanced nanite options. You just show them and let people learn from it.
Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm struggling to understand these new docs.
I think me printing to a pop-up requires custom code. So, I mean, output log's fine. I mean, that's what Paul used to do at BM. He just check the output log, So, what I could probably do is try and get it to select the meshes in the editor and filter them here, which I'd probably need custom Python maybe. But we'll see. What do we want? Select lights with attenuation over X. Select direct lights because they're the devil. Lumen view modes. Buffer visualizations. I don't want to add too much that you can already just access with hotkeys here, right? It needs to be like super straightforward, otherwise it turns into like, oh, let's just recreate the whole UI in Blueprint. Anyway, let's do the first thingy. I set this up earlier, so here we go. So let's see who wins the first copy of Nate Stevens. Drum roll, somebody! Drum roll me!
Sorry, Shadow.
Number 6. Oh my
Oh,
God!
no.
It's he is him.
Oh no!
He is him. He
redeemed
him.
it.
He redeemed
Oh my
it.
God.
Nah, hell nah.
I told you all that hidden Python code would work to make sure you got it.
Congrats, Leif.
Leif, send me your email where you want the prod, because I have to put your email in as a gift option on Gumroad. So if you DM me your email,
Now we better see you sculpting.
yeah, yes,
Yeah.
make use of your thing. Shall we do the second one, then the third one at the end, or shall we do the last two at the end?
I mean, what is it like? You could also stretch it, right? So it's like that was the first one. Now it's like, you can work on something else, and then in the
Yes,
middle
you
of the
won.
stream.
Oh, he doesn't know.
Oh, is he 30 seconds behind?
You won, brother.
Thanks for rigging the giveaway. It's
You're
Python.
welcome.
I cannot rig it. This is why I did it. Yeah, we'll do the second one in like 20 minutes.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Let's go.
want to print just in case. No. What? Wait, what? What are all these? Oh my god, this changes everything. Why? Like, why is it hidden? Why is it hidden like that? This could be the answer. No light found on false. Oh my fucking god, dude. That's amazing.
Don't forget that will print it for every light it finds.
Yes. Because it's in the loop.
Yeah, let's try anyway. I came late to the party. How does one enter? So I think the giveaway for it is over. But if you're ever interested in future ones, you just join the Patreon community and the Discord and all that sort of stuff, and you'll be available for future ones. I just want to print it to just see what happens. Actually. Print to screen. Oh, print to screen was already on. But only prints to screen if I have FPS mode on. Then it disappears. That's got to be a bug.
Oh, it does disappear. Like it's got a certain number of seconds until it disappears.
I print it though, it doesn't appear.
Oh yeah, you've got your FPS thing turned off now.
Does print only appear with FPS then? I didn't know that.
Well, I don't think specifically with FPS, but I'm assuming that you've got this set up. I can't remember what the command is to turn off on-screen messages and stuff. But I'm assuming that's turned off, and whatever you're using on your FPS button turns them back on again.
That's all right. Well, this will answer that query. So yeah, that does bring up every light. So it's in the loop. Well, I don't mind. Do I mind bringing up every light? Probably. Yeah. So loop through it. Oh, don't need you anymore. Okay. Loop through. If true, print screen. So if I want to print just one message for all of them, I have to introduce this after the next branch, right?
So you'd want to go from your completed output of your for each loop.
Oh, that's where we can use that then. Okay.
Although, how would you make sure that it's only doing that if none were found?
Yeah. Obviously that flags up on 0.
Yeah, because at the moment it'll just print
Before
that
the
screen
logic,
once it's
yeah.
finished.
Let's try this. I know it looks silly, but okay.
Yes, you've got to think everything that comes off the white line that you've got coming out of you for each loop is just that's what it will have. That's the actions it will do for every element in the loop. Then you go outside of the loops. That's what the completed outputs for. Once the loop is done, is there any logic that you want to follow on once we've left the loop? And that's where completed comes in. But if you're going to do that sort of thing, you'd probably want to store your results in some sort of array so you can check. And then if the array has a content of nothing, then you can say, oh, no lights found.
jar.
Or you could just have coming out of the completed one, you could just have a print string that just says search completed. Because that way, then, if nothing else has come up, the user knows by at least then it knows the loop has been gone through, because that would only come up once the search is done.
That probably works better. Yeah, look, see, it just looks like it's part of the thing. That's a good idea. Good one.
I have my moments. Can I suggest something that might be a bit too fancy and you might not like it?
Do tell.
Well, because at the moment, so you're getting both the attenuation radius from each of those lights in order to compare it, and you're getting the name of that light in order to print it. What you could do is you could append the two strings together of the name and the attenuation radius, so when it does find one that is too big, in that printout, you could say the name of the light and its attenuation radius, so they can take a look. Because they might be like, "Oh no, that one I remember is meant to be that size," but then they'll look at the others and go, "Whoops, I put some extra zeros in."
Yeah, so basically that it prints the name and the attenuation with it.
Yeah.
Oh, it sounds good to me. It's good practice.
I'm curious to see what this is. I don't know these.
Oh, it just makes nodes nice and straight.
I see.
I had it before, but I was on 5.6, so I recently upgraded. So I was waiting for them to update it. Hey, there we go. Just
Oh, it's
straight
like a
in.
tube map.
That's right. That's right, yo. It's gonna be like super OCD. Right. So you were saying, oh, get rid of that. That's good. So basically, when it reports here, it'll be the name, but then it'll have like the attenuation next to it, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay. I have to figure out how to do that. So we're looping through, and we're getting the name.
Yeah, and you're
This
already
is
getting
where-
the attenuation radius.
We're getting the attenuation here. Then
The previous node to that is where you get it. So you could branch out, I think, from that and just do a float to string conversion. So yeah, I think you've got all the logic already. I think it's just the the piecing together of the bits.
getting attenuation here. We need to get that value. Well, we're getting it here. A pet no.
Because you're context sensitive, it might not find append from there because I don't think you can append a float. You can append a string. Oh yeah, it's the bottom option that you can see there under string append.
Oh my god. Concatenates two strings together to make a new string.
Yeah, I don't know why coders call it that, but yeah, they do call it concatenation. It's very strange. I think if you try to plug attenuation radius into one of those, I think it will just automatically add in a conversion node for you.
Yes. So we're getting the attenuation, and then we're appending a name to it, which is a string, right?
Yeah, so your display name, you're already plugging that directly into the string at the moment, so you can just kind of
that into
intercept it with
being.
the append node.
Then bring this into string. So if that
In theory.
wait. Do I really have something at 3999? Ah, what the hell happened? That's weird. So you are right, that does
Oh.
work. It's just I need to format it somehow.
I can help you with that too. I just don't want to ruin the journey of discovery, because the journey of discovery is fun.
Yeah, no, I don't mind struggling through it. That's what I've been doing the last few days.
I didn't realize this is what you were working on when you were talking about the struggle is real, man.
Well, the struggle I had yesterday, I think I put the image in Discord, right? It's before I knew you could do view modes in.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I had like a big node set up for the false color button.
Okay.
I was like, oh no, you can just make the material and put it in the engine.ini and it will appear. Like, oh shit.
Yeah, that is a really good bit of functionality, that. Oh, your attenuation radius has become unplugged from your compare node, so you might want to plug that back in.
Grab attenuation. I'm just reversing what I've done so I can make it again if need be. Returns the actor name for putting into there. So if I was for example, have another line up here that was getting lighting intensity, like I had another set of things up here, I would just append that into here on another pin. Basically,
Yeah,
the append
good,
is
good.
where I contain the stuff to print, essentially.
Yeah, append is just taking however many strings you want to put together and just adding
Yeah,
them
yeah.
one after the other in the order.
Hey, Ka, welcome back. Hope you're all good. Now we're talking about cleaning up data. I want to try and find out some stuff before I phone a friend.
Yeah.
I haven't been so focused. I haven't shielded yet. Time to shield. Let's see if it's working. Here we go. No.
Oh, I'm not used to Leo not piping up at this point. The Discord is good. Full of lovely people. Nearly always someone in voice chat. Everyone helps each other, gives people suggestions. It's a very supportive community.
You've learned.
Yeah.
Learned
Oh, there
very,
she is.
learned very well.
Yeah, I haven't quite got Liz charisma, but yeah, the content's the same.
No, you did it absolutely fine. I have a
Join
pug.
us. Join us. Join us. Aika, let's go. Yeah, close enough. Close enough. It will
You're
be
done good.
awesome. It will be legendary.
It's not a cult.
Yet.
Not
Yet.
much. Yeah, that's some good advice there as well.
Oh, that's just for you, Slade.
I think T's already flown a bit close to the sun on that one.
T? No, T is fine. T is fine.
Not when you're
Mostly
doing
Slade.
friggin' Trials of whatever. Trials of Air.
Oh, yeah. Oh, dude. Yeah, no, absolutely.
Hey man, she was being too slow. I don't know what to tell you.
Too slow? You were in my way.
There it is.
Oh my god.
Where you installed electronic notes.
Yeah, I kind of like it. It's nice.
Cool. Have you tried darker notes?
No, I've seen that he offers that, but I just wanted straight lines for presentation purposes.
Oh yeah, this is
When I do the presentation shots.
this one is definitely worth it. Yeah. And it looks cool.
Yeah, I do like it.
Oh, it's really naughty. Not once you figure out what the buttons are.
Feel like Leah's got steel nerves. Pissing her off would be a challenge. Oh yeah. Slade is just challenged. That's
Wow.
Jeez.
That's also very good. Nah, in all seriousness, it's a great server and people are lovely. Even Slade.
Even Leo.
Yeah, even me. Can you believe it?
I'm not nice.
Oh, we knew that.
True,
I'm
true.
not
What?
I'm not gonna apologize for that.
Houdini uses.
Every server needs one. While you're figuring this out, I am just going to go and brew myself a tea.
Ooh.
Awesome,
Good idea.
awesome, Aika. Awesome. We're gonna get along now, just fine.
All right. It's getting late. I will see you guys tomorrow.
See you, man.
See yous. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Sleep well.
Have a good one. Bye.
Catch up on the
Bye-bye.
chat. I'm not nice either. We'll get along fine. Nice. Ah, fuck it. Let's do another one.
Another one.
Drum roll.
Another one.
Number 10. It's John.
Oh my god, congratulations, John.
To send him a DM. One more left. And another 10,
One
15
more
minutes.
left. Congratulations, congratulations.
This is true.
Oh, what's going on here?
John just won the second tutorial.
Congratulations, John. Well done.
Is this by any chance what you were going to tell me about?
No, I don't know this one. Let's have a look.
So it looks like you make multiple pins. So you'd probably make a pin called attenuation and asset name. And then format the text as you have, parentheses, asset name. I get it. I just need to try it because I don't fully get it until I do it.
Oh, cool. Yeah, no, this was not what I was thinking of, but yeah, this is nifty.
So I should make 2 pins. And I should call it attenuation light name. Attenuation and light. Asset light has asset light has a so let's put attenuation. Asset light has attenuation, amount currency. Problem is, if I plug that into there, that's going to overwrite to text.
Yeah, I think if you're doing this, you don't. Yeah, you don't need that. You
Maybe
don't even need that append node either. You can skip the append node entirely.
that. Really?
Yeah, because the append node was doing in a more rudimentary fashion what you're now doing with the format text node.
It's kind of doing it
So-
baked into it.
So yeah,
In
so
a
now
way,
you just
this is
use grep.
appending as well. In a way, then.
Yeah, essentially, it's I dare say it's got a whole lot of underlying stuff, which is basically a bunch of. Actually, I'm guessing this is an F string thing that it's doing. If it's similar to the Python stuff.
Really, YouTube? He's quite literally put a pop-up on the stream saying we need to make sure it's you. So I don't know if my stream's even going anymore.
What?
Why would it
Why
suddenly
is
say that?
YouTube so drunk?
Is stream still live? Because I'll just let that pop-up stay if not.
Yeah, the stream seems to still be going from what I can see here.
Asking me to like add a code to my phone. So random. Like I've always had a code on my phone. What's going on? Where were we? So with this format text, you need to get the display name as light, and then this one here is attenuation, right? Because that's where we're getting attenuation.
Yeah, again, even the conversion though is not strictly necessary there, so it's up to you whether you want to plug it in as a string or a float.
Oh. Nice. I think that's it. What was your way going to be out of interest?
I was just going to say add an extra pin to the append node, move whichever one you want to be second into the C pin, and in B just manually input space, hyphen, space.
That's a good idea as well, yeah.
But this certainly gives you a bit more ease and freedom to just make a nicely formatted line of text. Why not?
So this almost has like a built-in append to it, because here's the attenuation and here's the name, and you taking both of those and putting it into this text, which goes into a print.
Yeah, I remember in some of the Python stuff we were doing, and I think we did it in Codidex. There's something called F strings you can do, and it looks exactly like this, basically.
Oh, see us late.
2 minutes late. What did you
Joy.
say, T?
F strings.
Nice. Asset should appear 1 has an attenuation of 6,000.
Oh no, he's gone mad, everybody.
Nice. Cool. I wonder what happens if you have a... Actually, I mean, if you were getting this much, you'd be like questioning the employment of the person, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Yeah. I always wanted to do something like that. Haha. Nice one, T. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Happy to help.
I don't know the difference between these two because this was the first thing I tried. Print text and print string. They seem to do the exact same thing. So I guess print text is probably better because it lets you format text.
Yeah, I don't honestly know what the difference is because I've never heard of text being separated out as a separate form to string. So I don't know. Unreal doing unreal things.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be off to see you guys.
See ya.
See ya. Have a
Good
good
night.
one.
Get all actions of class for each loop. After loop's completed, search completed. Get the spotlight component. Get display name. Get the name of every spotlight. Get the attenuation of every spotlight. Format that together. So what I need to do next is either an enumeration or a array of not just spotlights, getting basically point lights, rect lights, and spotlights, and then that feature will be pretty much done for the toolkit. No, that's not it. Which one is it? Yeah, that's the one. Okay. Light overlap, lumen overview, lumen reflections. I think she's embraced the God I finished my like your pug, yeah. Yeah. I feel you on that one, Ike. Don't really remember what the most important VSM V mode is, to be honest. Come back to that one. Buffer viz. Yeah. Light overlap, lumen overview, lumen reflections. See a bit, Ika.
Oh, yes. Good night.
See you, Ika.
You got your stuff ready, Leah, for review in a minute.
Yep, I have it ready. I posted it already on the Discord.
Nice.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, look, there is one called Zero. You're quite right. It's naughty for giving you warnings.
Naughty warnings.
Lumen
Well.
scene 3. Hopefully that works. Let's set it to something wrong first. Let's. Oh, that was interesting. See, I had this issue before, which is why there was a node called set edit. No, where was it? Set editor viewport visualization buffer. I wonder if that counts for even Lumen, because flip flop doesn't really work on some things. Let's try this. what was it? r.visualize.lumen.
I think it's lumen.visualize, isn't it?
We were saying free. Oh, my thing is messed up. Sometimes this happens. Okay. Okay. No, I don't think that works. That's okay. We can figure it out another time.
I think you need to have it flip-flopping between that one and the lumen visualize 0 like you have on the other ones.
Yeah, most likely. Righto. We'll do Leo feedback and then we'll do the last giveaway.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hails to the year.
Play your video. Tell us what you've been working on.
All right. So this week I've been focusing on bringing all the assets to the L3 stage. I haven't finished that task yet. There's still a few meshes which have to be converted. Yeah, as well as focusing a little bit more on set dressing. Yeah, bunch more stuff to do, but we're getting there, right?
Mm-hmm. The 1080p quality came out sus, didn't it?
Oh, dude, absolutely. The heck, what is this?
It seems to. Oh, maybe the bitrate you uploaded. But yeah, I know last week I gave you a sprint plan for this we can look at, and this has been moving very well, especially the lower buildings starting to read quite nice as well. So for context, we get the feedback to get everything holistically up to like a certain visual level, so that when you walk around the level, you don't see, stuff like that, right? Where it's looks broken and untextured, which you're currently in progress on. So you should be able to, at the end of the sprint, be able to walk around the level and everything looks like well represented with no obvious visual errors, which you're working towards.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, everything very much still in progress, yeah.
Let's go to your mirror. Right. I am liking the mirror up less and less, both personally and professionally. So.
Oh no. Ah, there we are.
This was your sprint.
Yes.
To experience the game. without any blockout materials or meshes, and these were like your main notes and stretch goals and what you're not delivering. And then Chonka Cat.
Chonka Cat. Yeah,
Cool. So
exactly.
where are we looking?
So yeah, what is it here? Week 13.
Distinguished
Yeah, that's-
gentlewoman cat.
Yeah. Dude, that's me. That's me this week.
You're a wizard. Very cute cat. Anyway, where are we looking?
Yeah, so week 13, right? Yeah, basically what is it like the bucket screenshots of it, right? And then I think the main thing are just like what is it here, these screenshots, right? So I made a list of measures which have to be converted, right? I set myself a goal of like 1 week. So I'm at day 3/4 right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, and in that time, those are the measures that I've converted to a higher quality, right?
These ones in this table are, you've done a pass on them, right?
Yes, exactly. Like those stone arches, I haven't, like, those are still in progress, right? That's just Houdini blockout. But yeah. Everything else, basically. Yeah, so like, for example, even the card here, right? Like, up there. And the table, bench. those are, at least in terms of geometry, they are, yeah, reworked.
Yeah, definitely the visual fidelity is coming on pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
This texture still looks like you can see the difference here between this.
Yeah.
And this just looks like, I don't know what it is. Like it's like the normal map of the concrete is overpowering the brick, so it turns out to look like blobby or soft.
Yeah. I have to. It's it has something to do with the displacement. I have to see. Like I have to rework that one. Yeah. I'm not happy with the results either yet. Yeah.
Reminds me of the brain smooth winkles.
Yeah.
That's what this is here. Let's see. There we go.
Oh my god.
My brain smooth, which is this, and this brain detailed, which is this. So you got the disparity, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Think sad. Can't think no sad.
Yeah.
Try and flip these around if you can.
Mm-hmm. Yup.
Nice. Yeah, coming on well with that. Yeah, cool. Anywhere else to look?
What is it? Not really. Only what is it? Here
I
goes.
gave you all this a few weeks ago, right? Of the roughness and albedo
last week.
Examples. Talking about value
Yep.
difference, how that's slightly darker, and you can make out the detail. I don't know, in your base colors. Yeah, like here, for example, there's no, let's say, no second read. So that'll be the next step, right? So getting this is all kind of one tone. So when you have time, getting in the darker values in there, just slightly darker, not too dark, because obviously albedos are bright, but getting some additional wear and tear, macro detail on there.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Cool. Is there anything you can get reference for here? Like, you know, obviously that sort of goes into a like a big pillar, right?
Mm-hmm.
But is there anything you can put on the edge, you know, where edges meet to intersect stuff? So maybe kind of same with here, right? This just kind of goes into the ground, like blip, laser line. Can you put like, for example, even if it's not historically accurate, can you put like a metal trim on here?
Oh, I see.
That
Gotcha.
eases it into the floor. Like you've done it here with this wood plank, right? You've done this very masterfully. Like you go down and then you get your boom, boom, and then it's transitioned. Whereas here it's like straight down where you get boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Just consider
definitely-
edges, basically.
Yeah. For sure. For sure. Things like that as well. No, absolutely. Yeah, it's very much still work in progress, right? Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. Just dirty them up, right? These are very clean.
Oh, yeah. No, absolutely. I'm gonna do a sculpting pass and then on like add some bigger stones and scatter them around like that, right? For the door entrances. Yeah. Yeah, I know. In time frame we are extending, right? So yeah.
What buildings are left as part of your sprint? What buildings aren't at like L3 in your mind?
What is it? The towers, basically, like the edge towers. Right, yeah, like you can see it. You can see it both like here, for example, right? These ones. These ones are not. L3. Yeah.
Fair. I assume you're doing something with this texture as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's quite bright.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Yeah, looks like it's going well on track with the original feedback. Just be careful of the repetitions and the edges. And you polish and yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna work on some more geo this week. That was my deadline, and then what is it? The next 2 weeks, I'm either gonna work on additional geo to like flesh out the scene or focus on the ground, and then afterwards it's gonna be materials.
Yeah, V says maybe more contrast in your height map for the walls to get rid of this blobby look.
Yeah, I know exactly what it is, so I'm gonna work on that one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
And then for the next project, since these are already set in stone now with all these, but none of these shots are, even though these are like I think your holistic update shots, like not your render shots. These are all like where the player would never get. So when you do your next project and you do one of these horizontal shots, you want them to be on 3 or 4 shots that you're updating every week, but they're on the golden path, right? So none of these are on the golden path. Like this is outside the house and this is up and above. So you would, when you do your screenshots next time, you have one from one from here, one from here, one from here, maybe like 4 shots. And these are the shots that you update every week, even though they might not be your beauty shots. They're golden path shots, because if you show this to an art director, they'll be like, okay, but we never get this high. What are we looking at here? Versus this stuff, right? So makes sense.
Absolutely. Yeah. No, absolutely.
Yeah. Awesome. Cool. I mean, we discussed kind of what you need to do anyway beforehand, just minor notes really. Is there anything you want to ask me that you are curious about?
Nope. There it is.
Don't worry, take it away, Ernie. That's what he looks like. Cool. Good stuff.
Yes, thank you.
Let's do the last one. Drum roll. It's designer.
Designer. Congratulations, designer.
Congrats to everybody. Thanks for entering as well. That's a good test of using some Patreon. Using some Patreon, some Python.
You've done very well. Congrats, all winners.
Yes, congratulations.
At the end of the day, friendship is the real winner.
Yes, yes, and money.
And money, and money. Thank you, everyone, for the nice long pause after what I said before. That, yeah.
Nice. I'll get those sorted.
Yes, yes, yes.
Whoop whoop.
Quentin is like definitely money. Yeah, I agree.
Wow, gosh, I see I've got the wrong audience here.
True. Where was it? Lumen overview.
Strikes me that buffer visualizations and view modes are two very separate things.
Yeah. Because you can only call the main category, which remembers your last setting. So if you set this to, if you were doing like albedo only, right, you set this to base color manually. When you call, if you were to call it as a view mode here, you can't call base color. You can only call buffer visualization. So if you do that command, it will call what you selected last. So it's not that helpful. Whereas it seems as though in those situations you do this, right? You do the flip flop console command. But for buffer visualization, for buffer, it's funny because there is a node here, set editor viewport visualize buffer. So that we can do for that, but there's no version of set editor visualize buffer for Lumen or Nanite, so you have to flip flop between it. Just randomness, right?
Yeah.
So when I do the base color views, that'll be actually pretty easy because there's a node for it. But that seems to work. Lumen overview.
Woohoo!
Again, the main thing I wanted on here was really the false color, so everything else is kind of just like a little bonus. I wonder if I should make it so when you press a button, it shows you've got it pressed.
Oh yeah.
Because you might lose track of what you've got. Obviously, you've got these ticked, but. And sometimes you can tick FPS and it goes off if you've put too many things on. But I'm like, okay, what's happening? Oh, Lumen overview. Is that actually a thing? I think so. Let's see. Style. Hovered, normal, pressed.
The thing is, the press will only apply whilst your mouse is pressed down on it.
That's true.
The button itself doesn't know when the thing it does is active and when it's not. You'd have to create logic for that.
Yeah. Like getting shit then. You have to remember what you pressed. What's that? When disabled.
You know, when stuff's like greyed out.
Oh, okay. Never mind. This is where we've gotten to. I think tomorrow I will hook up Lumen Reflections. I'll add buffer visualizations down here. Is there anything else without over detailing it we can do? Slick lights through a whole array, not just spotlight array. Is there anything lighting artists would do a lot in this workflow? Oh yes, load lighting gym with 3 lighting scenarios. That'll be the next. That'll probably be on the weekend or next week. It's coming along.
It's looking good.
Let's go.
Righto, folks. I'll plug our community one more time. Videos, guest talks, active voice chat, all that good stuff. If not, popping by to the streams when they pop up is also pretty cool as well. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good Thursday and the rest of your week. And I'll see you guys soon.
So yeah.
Yes, have a good one. Bye bye.
Good night.
Now the question is, can I end the stream because I had that security pop up? Forever streaming. Let's see. All right, guys. See you in a bit. Bye.
Bye bye.